to hear an amazing thing that happened to me one night. While looking out the hallway window, a cat came into sight. A great big black, huge, beautiful cat. He walked so gracefully. All alone in the pale moonlight, he moved majestically. The amazing cat. The amazing cat. I wondered if he could sense in me a love for those wonderful cats. And as I got that very thought, the cat stopped in its tracks. Now how he could tell I was there is still a mystery. I was standing in the dark, so how could he see me? He turned his head and looked straight back through the window right at me. And though I could not see his eyes, I felt them look at me. The amazing cat. The amazing cat. Then that cat came and sat by the window in front of me. Staring, staring, glaring, glaring, it was quite scary. Then I prayed and said, "Dear Lord, help me not to be afraid." That cat and I staring eye to eye, and not a move was made. I wondered who'd be the first to quit, but his hook was too much to bear. So I instead went off to bed to get away from the stare of the amazing cat. The amazing cat. Scientists cannot explain this, how cats can read our minds. But these amazing things are happening, and you may meet sometime. The amazing cat. The amazing cat. The amazing cat.